Hi, it's Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on Samsung Galaxy A26. So first, scroll from the top and open the Bluetooth settings. Disable the Bluetooth and wait a couple of seconds. After that, enable it again. Find your connected device and hit this gear next to it, then unpair. Wait for the Bluetooth device to be found. You can also hit scan once more and try connecting with it again. Hit pair. And if you still have any issues, then just try restarting your phone and the Bluetooth device. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.